What's happening, kinfolk? So I'm making this little video real quick before I play the actual video. Just a little precaution. The video you're about to watch, man, I went on a little rant, so there's a lot of cussing in this video. So if cussing offends you, or you have little kids around, might not be the video for you to watch with them around, or to watch at all. So just letting y'all know ahead of time. There's a little rant going on. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. So today we are doing a headlight and passing lamp installation on Old Blue. Let me show you what Old Blue looks like. If you don't know, this is Old Blue. And what we're doing is we're going to change this headlight, these passing lamps out. We're going to change them out to this shit here. So, you know me, I'm a budget building motherfucker. So, I ordered this shit off of eBay, man. And, you know, I would have loved to got some fucking Rogue Rider Industry lights or some Zero 3D lights, man. But I can't afford it. So, we ended up getting some eBay stuff. So, this is the passing lamp. It's the LEDs with the black backing. And so we're gonna change these out, man, from the stock ones, which are what they call it, incandescent bulbs, stock bulbs, and they ain't worth a shit. So the stock bulbs, man, I can't see nothing at night. And if y'all ride a Harley, you know that the stock lighting on Harleys are crap. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, man. And we're gonna take the headlight out first, do the headlight first, and then we'll do the passing lamps in, after that. So let's go ahead and get it. Take the ring off, and then we're going to, these are Torx bits, so we got to take all these Torx bits.
Yeah, we'll push the bucket
out. Yeah, I think it comes with another bucket, don't it? So once you take these out, the headlight will pop out. Then you go ahead and unplug her, like that there. And that's it. So let's get the new headlight. All right, folks, so this kit, this is what the headlight looks like. Let me see, Bubba. Turn it towards me. So it's black backing, LEDs, no halo ring. I didn't want the halo ring, so I did not get the halo ring. But once you unplug the headlight, the kit comes with some adapters, but I guess there's two different adapters, but I guess we don't need them. So what we're gonna do is it just plugs straight in, and then you just turn the joker on. So let's see. Plug her in. Bam. And then we'll go ahead and screw the headlight back in. Alright, let me hold that for babushka. You'll put your screws that you took out, you'll put those back in. While babushka is doing that, I want to show y'all a little something, man. My buddy Kevo, longtime friend, my best friend, made me a leather koozie. It's fucking nasty. Let's check it out. So what we got here is my logo, hand tooled into this piece of leather to make it into a koozie. And man, it's just sick, man. So he's selling them, man. He does his stuff. So if y'all want a koozie, he does beer cans and bottles with your logo or anything on it. Let me know. Hit me up in the comment section or hit me up on Instagram at knucklestv, man. Send me a direct message, and we'll get you hooked up, brother or sister. Looks good, but I'm gonna have to paint that shit. It's chrome. I gotta get it black, y'all. So I'm gonna end up probably plasti dipping that shit. But anyway, so now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the passing lamps. And and see what those. I know I had to hardwire in, so I'm gonna have to see what I gotta do to hardwire those in. But let's get it. All right, so once he gets the passing lamp out, it's got a plug on it. Unplug it, it comes straight out of there. In order to hotwire this one in, or hardwire, we're gonna put male and female connectors on there. So Babushka's gonna cut this, and then we'll strip that and put the other ends of these on here so we can easily take it off and on if we have to. And after we crimp it, because it doesn't have no covers to cover the connectors, we'll put electrical tape around it just to where it doesn't touch and short out. Okay, so luckily we put those quick disconnects on there because Babushka forgot to put the ring on. Right, Babushka? So this ring here, yeah, turn it the other way because that way it'll catch out here. This ring here is off the stock light, so make sure you put that back on, and then you slide it. That keeps the light from spinning because there's a little tab that catches right here. So that tab down there, right there, will catch on here. So Babushka's gonna hook it back up and put some more tape on it. Again, folk, I'm fucking frustrated, pissed off, and everything else. So, got the light to fit, but where's that other one, Bubba? This ring, the ring here would not go on because this lip right here does not let that other ring. Where's the other ring? So this ring here is what comes off the stock light. This goes on like this, sits like that, and this catches this little groove right here, okay? Well, because of this fucking lip that's there, it does not sit back far enough. So it doesn't sit in the bucket deep enough in order for the ring, the beauty ring, to this here to sit and catch the groove that's here to lock up. So what I had to do, because I was fucking pissed off, I went ahead and fucking cut it. So I cut all this shit off with the grinding wheel. I cut all this lip off. I left that tab because that's what holds that ring down there, that ring. So I left that tab on there, but I cut all that shit off and finally got it to sit in deep enough to where it locks in and tightens down. So I'm gonna go with Road Tide 530, man, and let y'all know, spend the extra money to get the right shit. This fucking eBay shit, man, ridiculous. So, and of course it says it fits my bike, but fucking bullshit. So, yeah. So now I gotta cut this son of a bitch too, and then we'll get it installed. And I still gotta adjust this headlight because the headlight is pushed out way too far this way. So, I need to adjust that. But, yeah, man. Like Road Tide 530 says, spend the extra money on shit like this because it's worth it. This bullshit here is crap. So, let me get to it. Alright, kinfolk, we are finished. Just adjusted the headlight a little bit. That shit still looks off, dude. Like, it doesn't look like the headlight's centered, but anyway. That's what you get ordering shit off of Amazon. But I have to test it tonight, see what it looks like, and then hopefully I can put some pictures up here of what it looks like at nighttime. But let me show you what it looks like now. So that's got a bunch of glare. It's got the back black fuck backing, and then man, it looks alright. But this is what I'm talking about. You see how there's no fucking gap here, and you got all this fucking gap here. I don't know, man. It's fucking ridiculous, but it is what it is, I guess. So I guess I'll just wait until I end up getting the real shit. So and that way I know it'll fit better. But yeah, but it'll do what it do. All right, kinfolk, I know you can hardly see me, but this is going to be a video. I mean, this is going to show y'all what the headlight and passing lamps look like after I installed them. So the first one's going to be just the headlight, and then I'll turn on the passing lamps to show y'all what it looks like with the passing lamps as well. All right, so we're going to go ahead. That's the front of the bike. We're going to go ahead and turn the bike on and just show what the headlight looks like. Not bad, not bad. Those two little dots up there, I don't know what the hell those are, but it shows like two little dots up there as well. See, you can see them right there in the trees. I don't know why it has those, but it does. But that's just the headlights, or headlight, and then this is with the passing lamps. Bam. So the passing lamps, man, makes a big difference as far as the width of the lights that it gives off. But if you know what stock Harley headlights look like, you know this is a big difference without the passing lamps, with the passing lamps. So it's a big difference, man. But again, I was a little pissed off of how that's, you know, the Chinese stuff came out, but eBay shit, but it is what it is, man. So next time I'll definitely end up getting name brand products. But let's take a look at the front of the bike. Turn the passing lamps on. So that's what it looks like in the front. Get close up. There they are. All right, kinfolk. So I hope you enjoyed that install video, man. And again, I apologize for the rant, but yeah, it is what it is. So till next time, man. Much love, much respect. Knuckles out.